Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is JG Chemicals Limited. JG Chemicals was founded in 1975 and is a zinc oxide manufacturer using the French process. The company produces more than 80 grades of zinc oxide. This product is used in various industrial applications such as ceramics, paints and coatings, pharmaceuticals and cosmetics, electronics and batteries, agrochemicals and fertilizer, specialty chemicals, lubricants, oil and gas, and animal feed. The company operates 3 manufacturing facilities in Jangalpur and Belur, both in Kolkata, West Bengal and Naidupeta in Nellore District, Andhra Pradesh. Naidupeta is the largest facility, owned and operated by the material subsidiary. IPO opens for subscription on the 5th of March, offer will close on the 7th of March. Allotment will be on the 11th of March, listing will be on the 13th of March, minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 14,807 rupees. Price band is 210 rupees to 221 rupees per share, lot size is 67 shares, total issue size is 251.19 crore rupees, fresh issue is 165 crore rupees, offer for sale is 86.19 crore rupees. Object of the issue are investment in material subsidiary, viz. BDJ Oxides, I. Repayment or prepayment, in full or in part, of all or certain borrowings availed by its material subsidiary, E. Funding capital expenditure requirements for setting up of a research and development center situated in Naidupeta, Andhra Pradesh, R&D center. Funding its long-term working capital requirements. General corporate purposes. Key performance indicator are: return on equity is 8.20%. Return on capital employed is 11.16%. Debt to equity ratio is 0.11. Return on net worth is 8.16%. Price to book value is 3.51. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a premium of 60 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.